Convoys carrying highly protected rolls of special banknote paper arrive inside a restricted receiving terminal. Each shipment is authenticated using encrypted digital records.
The scans are complete. All parameters are within tolerance. Excellent. Approved for printing.
Precision drives the factory. The transformation begins.
Inside a restricted manufacturing chamber, advanced equipment creates hidden watermarks and embeds colored security fibers directly. Special printing stations apply advanced color-shifting inks, invisible markings, and specialized security elements that can only be verified under certain conditions. High-speed numbering machines print unique serial numbers onto every individual banknote with perfect synchronization. The official Reserve Bank markings, denomination details, signatures, and authentication elements are printed with incredible precision. The freshly printed sheets travel through a climate-controlled drying tunnel where carefully balanced airflow and temperature permanently cure the specialized inks. Endless rows of newly printed Indian rupee notes move through synchronized inspection and bundling systems, revealing trillions being manufactured with military-level precision and security.
Robotic touch sensors gently glide across every banknote, measuring the height and consistency of the raised intaglio printing.
Each banknote travels beneath laser-guided alignment scanners that measure the exact position of every printed feature. Cameras compare thousands of reference points in real time.
Advanced robotic conveyors automatically separate approved rupee notes by denomination. 10, 20 rupees and 50 rupees.
Automatic banding machines wrap every rupee bundle with official security bands carrying encrypted production information.
Ultra-sensitive electronic weighing systems verify the exact weight of every completed currency bundle. Even the
Before storage, every wrapped currency brick passes through a secure digital gateway.